Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth system in this Mercedes Benz. So let's go somewhere else. From any screen, we go to telephone, and you've got it there. There's nothing connected at the moment, but from here, from this round control here, we can go to telephone. Click telephone by pressing in the center, and there you've got Bluetooth telephones. Click Bluetooth telephones. You've got Barry's iPhone there. That's the one. So you can navigate by turning that. It says options at the right hand side, so I need to knock across there. I'm on options, then click options, and you've got deauthorize. That's what I want to do. Deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone 11? It defaulted to no. I've knocked it to yes, turning the control. Click yes. That's it gone. I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Mercedes-Benz C-Class. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and we're just watching at the bottom here, but we go to telephone, and then at the bottom you've got call list name telephone. So across the telephone, click Bluetooth telephones, select by clicking Bluetooth telephones, and you've got somebody's phone there. You can either select that if they're in the car, but you've got update at the top, which isn't highlighted. So we just turn the rotary control till update is highlighted. You see Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth's come up there, but click update. It's searching for a phone now. It says searching for a maximum of 15 Bluetooth telephones, which is very good because a lot of them only do 5, and once they've got once they're full, you've got to delete a phone before you can put another one. Okay, so update. It's found my phone. Navigate to my phone, click on it, and then we need to put a 4-digit passcode in. I'll just put 0000 for ease, and then turn the rotary control over to OK. Click in the center. Oh, what an idiot. On his way to an accident there, isn't he? Right, so there we go. We need to put a pin in, so 0000, click pair. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, but you will. I won't be using the car again, so I'll just click don't allow there. But that's it. That's it, all done. Very easy and simple and good system to use. Thanks for watching.